Hello guys, this is a dynamic screener built on simple moving average. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is the meaning of screener. Okay, so screener is nothing but a collection of multiple stacks. Okay, which are meeting certain criteria. Okay, so here we can see there are a number of screeners available in online. Okay, so we can have the similar screener available in Excel as well. Okay, so here primarily we are focusing on a simple moving average. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is meant by simple moving average. Let's say if I want to calculate a simple moving average for a particular stock for the past 10 or 15 years, okay, then I should be having close or open prices of that particular stock. Okay, then I would be doing averaging of those 5 or 10 days. Okay, let's say if it is BHEL. Okay, I want to calculate SMA for past 20 days. Okay, then I can take closing prices of those 20 days and I can do an average. Okay, so in this case BHEL. Okay, so the SMA is of uh, 5 period is 126 rupees, okay, which means for the past 5 days it is trading at an average of 126 rupees. Okay, and if you see the SMA for 20, okay, so it would be 108, which means for the past 20 days the average price is 108 rupees. Okay, and here we can have multiple periods like 50, 100 and 225 or 250, okay, or 200. Okay, max would be looking at 200. Okay, so if my current price is more than that moving averages for 5, 20, 50 or 100, okay, then I can consider it as a strong buy signal. Okay, so here in the Excel we can have the same screener for top 200 companies in NSE. Okay, so here if you see like it is starting with the row number 1, okay, till 200. Okay, which means we are capturing the data for top 200 companies in NSE. Okay, so we can calculate SMA for different periods, okay, including 5, 20, 50, 100 or 225. Let's say if we want to change SMA for any period, okay, let's say if I want to have moving average for 200, okay, then I can just give the input as 200 and SMFI would change accordingly. Okay, so the simple or else the minimum SMA period is 5 and max we can take up to 250 or else 248. Okay, so here we are calculating a moving average for each and every period and then we are trying to compare, okay, with the current price whether it is good or bad. Okay, whether we can take a decision of buying or selling. Okay, so if my current price is more than SMA1 of 5 period, then it should be a buy signal. Okay, in the same way I would be comparing current price with various simple moving averages, and accordingly I can take a call. Okay, so along with that simple moving averages, we do have various parameters called previous close. Okay, so what is the previous close of that particular stock? Okay, and then open price, high, low. Okay, and then opening is nothing but whether it opened and gap up or gap down. Okay, and based on those SMA signals, okay, we can have a final call whether it is a strong buy or strong sell, or else if it is a neutral. Okay? If all 5 SMA signals are buy, okay, then the final call would be a strong buy. If all 5 SMA signals are sell, okay, then my final call would be sell. Okay, so here we'll be getting data, real-time data, so which is dynamic in nature. Let's say if you want to update the data, then simply click on refresh data. Okay, it would have a latest prices in our list. Let me go ahead and compare with the real-time values. Okay, so here if you see BHL is trading at 137.50. Okay, which is around let me, okay, it is the same price 139. Okay, so 139.30, which is around 139.20 with a fraction of seconds delay. Okay, and here we can have a current market trend. Okay, whether it is going in upwards or downwards. Okay, let's say for Sensex, okay, this is current value and it is going in green zone. Okay, with the percentage of change as 0.10. Okay, then there are I think we have 200 stocks in the list. Okay, so among those 200, 126 stocks are in bullish zone. Okay, and 74 on bearish zone. Okay, bullish and bearish is nothing but if the current stock price is okay more than previous day closing. Okay, then we can consider that as a bullish. Okay, so in the same way, like if the current or else sorry if the current market price is less than yesterday's change or else yesterday's closing, okay, then we can consider it as bearish. Okay, so here we can start data based on our final call. Let's say if I want to pick only uh, strong buy calls. Okay, here we could see the stocks which are having a strong buy signal. Okay, so there are around 112. Okay, 112 stocks out of 200 which are having strong buy. Okay, and let's say if I want to see strong sell, okay, then it would be around five stocks, okay, which are having strong sell signal. Okay, so accordingly we can see the data for different stacks. Okay, so basically the screener is beneficial for the guys who are taking decisions or else who are doing short term or long term trading. Okay, based on simple moving average or else based on technical analysis. Okay, so let me refresh data again, and here we could, yeah. So this is the latest data for real time market. Okay, which means the stock prices are getting changed. Okay. So this particular screener is available. Okay, so we need Office latest version, MS Office latest version in order to have the screener up and running.